Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to my next YouTube video. Right, so in this video I will show you about extreme sets in BBMA by Oma Ally, by Cikgu Oma Ally. Okay, so the first diagram in BBMA, we will have extreme. So what is an extreme? Extreme shows us an early signal that the market is about to change its direction from uptrend to downtrend, from buy to sell or from sell to buy. Okay, so because I'm a seller, means that I tend to look for sell position rather than buy position. So in this video, I will show you an example of extreme sell. So extreme sell means in the uptrending market or in the sideways market, there will be an extreme sell that shows us that the market is about to go uh, south or to go downtrend. Okay, let me explain to you first the basics of extreme. So an extreme sets, we will have first the MA5 exits or touch the top BB. Okay, so in the previous video I already tell you that my MA high will be red colors and the MA low will be the yellow color. Right, so after that we will have a reverse candlestick, then we will have a retest candlestick, then we will have a compulsory take profit. Okay, so um, my example in this video will be the pair USD JPY, United States dollar against Japanese yen. Right, so this is okay, let me mark, let me show you insert shapes rectangle. Okay, this is a sideways market. Okay, sideways market, yeah, you can see uh, the market is not uptrend or downtrend, but here we have a extreme sell here. So when the MA goes touch or goes out of the top Bollinger Band, so it marks an extreme is happening. Okay, okay, like over here. Okay, I will mark first this with arrow, sorry, arrow down. So first we have the okay, the MA high touches and exits the top Bollinger Band. So this candlestick here is called the extreme candlestick. This is the extreme candlestick, this one here. Then after extreme candlestick, we have a reverse candlestick. See, it reverse, and then we will have a retest candlestick. So right after reverse is a retest candlestick. Okay, this is the retest candlestick. So it tries to test the previous high of the candlesticks. All right, and normally, uh, not really normally, some traders will enter position here to sell uh, within these two MA's position location, between the MA5 and MA10 high. So some traders will sell over here and take profit at the low MA low or at the mid Bollinger Band, mid BB. So this area is called TP compulsory take profit. But um, I will not enter trades at extreme, because extreme is just a signal. It doesn't necessarily goes sell straightly or goes up straightly after an extreme, because it's just an early signal. Okay, so in an extreme we have the MA touches or exits the top BB, then we will have the reverse candle and retest candle. Okay, this is the extreme candlestick, this is the reverse candlestick. Right after the reverse candlestick is a retest candlestick. So take note that the retest candlestick will touch either the minimum at the MA low and maximum at the mid BB. Okay, so this is the extreme sell sets. Okay, if you see here, after the extreme happens, the market goes down. All right, this is extreme sell, and the extreme is valid, and the market goes down. All right, so that's all for this video for extreme sell. In the next video, I will show you about MHB or MHV, or market loss volume. It is the next diagram in BBMA. Thank you guys for watching.